There are a lot of people who used to rush us out that you all shouldn't be here and what are you doing here? And we we were not very vulnerable in front of them, but I feel I like it in open because even though we are not doing anything, we are not being rushed out. And that's what I like. Every time we sit somewhere, there are lots of people who come and say that there are other people who come here and they've messed things up for us, and we try to reassure them. But it all depends on how a person sees the world. That's all I gotta say. Well, I mean, they were raised like that, so I wouldn't blame them because they do not know any better. And if they would, they wouldn't have acted this way.